KVS ZIT Mysore. This is where the movement becomes meaning and teaching becomes transformation. The workshop unfolded as a vibrant blend of movement, mindfulness, and meaningful learning.
Welcome to the 5-day capacity building program for physical education teacher, a journey of learning, movement, culture and collaboration.
Each morning begins on an energetic note with Zumba sessions where rhythmic movements and lively music set the tone for the day. The enthusiasm of the participant reflected not just the physical readiness but a collective spirit of joy and togetherness. Yoga session bringing calmness, balance, and inner focus. Through guided asanas and breathing practices, participants experience the importance of mental well-being alongside physical fitness, an essential aspect of holistic education. The program commenced with a dignified inauguration followed by assembly by participants of group, setting up a purposeful tone for the days ahead. Gathering of educators with inspiring words and a collective spirit. The Indigenous Games session brought participants closer to India's rich sporting heritage. Through vibrant outdoor activities, traditional games were revived, emphasizing teamwork, agility, and cultural values. These sessions not only promoted mental alertness but also highlighting the importance of preserving our indigenous sports. The technical session conducted by eminent resource persons on various topics provided deep insight into contemporary practice and physical education. The session on Khel Yatra book offered participants a comprehensive understanding of India's sporting journey and vision. The book beautifully captures the philosophy of sports as a tool for holistic development, cultural integration, and national building. Through this session, participants explored the objective, structure, practical implication along with the split up syllabus of Khel Yatra, gaining inspiration to incorporate its value into practices. The yoga session, guided by an expert, focused on harmony of body, mind, and soul. Through systematic asanas, breathing techniques, and relaxation practices, participants experience rejuvenation, stress relief, and inner balance, reinforcing the importance of wellness in daily life. Now, let us hear what are the views of the participants on food and stay arrangements.
We have been provided with a very good accommodation here in the Zeet Mysore. This is a new building, renovated building of Zeet Mysore. It's so in all the rooms the AC is fitted, the cupboards have been provided for keeping the luggages, and nice beddings is provided to us in Zeet Mysore. Regarding food, we have been provided a very vegetarian, very good, very healthy food we have been provided, and the sanitation part they have been taken care of very nicely. All the plates or utensils used are very neat and clean, and the food provided was the best class food, vegetarian food provided. Thank you.
The workshop was a transformational experience for us. We look forward to learn more and be a better version of ourselves.